Alright, YouTube, I am back with another mess test, and as you can see, it's going to be a PowerMax mess test. So, before I get started, the link will be in the description. I have a website, if you want to check that out. It's a blog and forum site, so you can check that out, free to sign up and everything. It's got a Wix ad and Wix site in the link, so that should tell you it's been made with Wix, so it's nothing really big like Facebook or anything like that. So anyway, link will be in the description of that. It's also in the About section on in my YouTube. My YouTube's About section. Now anyway, without further talking, we're gonna get this video going. Uh-oh. Got a little too much in there. And that loud kabang must have been a chunk of the Sanitaire SC899 fan, because I did clean that up with the 886, and there is some dirt down there from the SC886. But anyway, there's the PowerMax and a website update, or a website announcement. So tell me how you liked it, tell me what y'all would like to see, and I will see what I can do and how I can do it. And please, no, like, I don't know if it was a flirt comment or not, but I guess you just meant it to be a compliment. I got a comment saying that I sound cute. Okay. As long as that's not a flirt comment, because I don't want no flirting with me in my comment sections. So anyway, once again, tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all would like to see. And I will see what I can do and how I can do it. And I'm trying to get to requests as best I can. So anyway, until next time, bye.